I was missing. So for me, when I started, it was a challenge that to leave a set pattern and set job to jump into a different industry altogether. But Abhishek, he's been a kind mentor, answering everything, even though when he was in Hawaii. I did hassle him, and there are a few of you who also do that. I know it for sure, for fact. And so when I started, I did first course that was the drug safety physician basic course. Most of you have done it or you know about it. And when we had a word, and my first job when I was just getting it, Abhishek was very clear. Rahul, just go and get your hand dirty, go and get some like kind of real time experience, because no matter how much we learn and in the class environment is entirely different, but when it comes to working experience, that's something different. So I started my marketing journey from the first course. I started somewhere in last week of August or first week of September, and by mid October I had a job. Thankfully, even at that time, I had three offers. I picked one where I thought the scope was good. What I did